Dear students, now we are going to discuss exercise 14.3. This exercise is the base of a median. Now we need to identify the formula and also what is our middle place. So for that, first we need to find the cumulative frequency table. From this, we are going to identify the total number small n. So median, so n by 2 middle, so n by 2 where it occur. So identify the cumulative frequency and class interval according to the n by 2. So use that thing, that is cumulative frequency, class interval and frequency by using n by 2. How can we identify? Means just next of n by 2 value is the corresponding cumulative frequency class interval. So using this you may find all those things. So for that the table is given, monthly consumption and number of consumers given. So for finding your median, here question is median, mean and mode. So you can find all the three things. First median. So cumulative frequency means just write the xi value and fi value, add next value. Suppose here fi is given 4, 5, 13. No, next 4 plus 5, 9. First write 4, next 4 plus 9, 4 plus 5, 9. Next 9 plus 13, 22. Then 22 plus 20 is 42. Next 42 plus 14 is 56. Next 56 plus 8 equal to 64. Then 64 plus 4 equal to 68. This final number, last number, is the total number, so small n. Sum of the frequency is small n, here 68. Now sum of fi, that is sum of the frequencies, addition of the frequency is 68. So middle value is 34, that is n by 2, 68 by 2, 34. So which we need to write, which lies an interval 1 to 6, which is next greater in the cumulative frequency table. Next to 34 is 42. Now 42 is the median class. 42 is the cumulative frequency, 20 is the frequency, 125 to 145 is the median class. Now L is the lower limit of the median class, 125, it's small n already you know that 68, F the corresponding frequency here 20 and cumulative frequency 22. So H width of the interval 20. Alright. Next the median formula is L plus n by 2 minus Cf cumulative frequency whole divided by F into H. L plus n by 2 minus Ef whole divided by F into H. Remember this. Substitute all the values. Solve the problems. So you can get the answer 137. Similarly, next mean. Here subdivision method is given. You may use fi xi is, you can find fi xi. Here x is 75 and be bigger, no, so that's why they are used subdivision method. You may use direct method or assumed mean method. So using this find the value of mean. Next mode, already you know that maximum frequency is 20, so model class is also 125 to 145. So lower frequency L is 125, F1 previous 120, sorry, F1 is corresponding frequency 20, previous 13, F2 14, H equal to 20. So mean and for mean and median there is only fi, but in the median only we need to find cumulative frequency, right? Substitute all those things, you can get the answer. The answer is given 135.77. So compare all those number. So it's nearby 135, 137, 137.4 and 135.77 like that. Right. So using this, their relation also you can find. So mean, median, mode relation also you can use, right? If the median of the distribution given below, median 28.5, then find the value of x and y. Here in the table, two things is not given, but it's given variable. So here variable, just keep it with the cumulative frequency as it is. So x and y given, you have a number 50 plus 40 means you can add 50 plus 40, write as 90. But 50 plus x means 50 plus x. 50 plus x plus y means 50 plus x plus y, right like that. So not possible to add unlike terms. Here x and 50, number and variable are unlike, no, so not possible to add, right? So as usually write a table xi fi cumulative frequency here x given, no, so that add 5 plus x. Next continue with the addition. 5 plus 20 is 20, no, 5 plus 20 is 25, so 25 plus x. Next 25 plus x plus 15, so 25 plus 15 is 40 plus x. Next 40 plus x plus y, not possible to add, so write as it is. Next 40 plus x plus y plus 5, you can add 40 and 5, so 45. So 45 plus x plus y, right? Now the same way, total sum of fi is 60. By using the number of consumer fi value, no, using this you can write n equal to 60 and n by 2 equal to 30, right? Using this you can write the median class interval. So 30 is 25 plus x given, no, so something added, somewhat added. Now the frequency also nearby 5, so 25 plus at least 5, so 30, so it should be the 20 to 30 class interval. So don't think about 40 is the next number of 30. So already x is some number. Possibilities of x, using fi you may check fi in all the value, no, 5, 20, 15 and 5, so it is at least 5, so use this, right? So using the median class, L value 20, N value 60, corresponding frequency 20, and the cumulative frequency is 25, cumulative frequency is 25 plus x cumulative frequency is 25 plus x, but here written 5 plus x, no change, 25 plus x, and h equal to 10. Now total 45 plus x plus y is the final number, no, so that is equivalent to 60. Using this, arrange one equation. 45 plus x plus y equal to 60, so x plus y equal to 60 minus 45, 60 minus 45 is 15, so x plus y equal to 15. Next, so here L equal to 20, N equal to total number 60, F equal to corresponding frequency 20, cumulative frequency is 25 plus x, preceding value is 5 plus x, so cumulative frequency is 5 plus x, and h equal to 10. So now you are going to find the equation 45 plus x plus y equal to 60, that is small n. So x plus y equal to 60 minus 45 15. Now the formula is median 28.5 equal to L plus n by 2 minus F whole divided by F into H. So 28.5 plus n by 2, so that is 60 by 2 minus cumulative frequency is here just proceeding, that is 5 plus x. So 5 plus x whole divided by 20 into x. So now 30, just introduce the minus in the bracket, 5 plus x, so minus 5 minus x, so 30 minus 5 minus x, so 30 minus 5. Okay, now find the LCM. 2 into 20 40, 30 minus 5 25, that is 25 minus x whole divided by 2. Now 2 you are going to use in the left side. 2 into 28.5 equal to 40 plus 25 is 65, so 65 minus x. Now 2 into 28.5 is 57, 57 equal to 65 minus x, so therefore x equal to 8. So using a median you are getting a answer 8. Now using the small n you are going to find y. So already you have the first equation, x plus y equal to 15. Substitute x equal to 8, therefore y equal to 15 minus 8 is 7. So now you have the answer x and y, right? Next problem. The table is given, number of policy holder given, so find below 20, below 25, below 30 as the continuous type class interval. Below 20 it's the starting one, next is 25, no, so 20 to 25 is 2. Next only we need 25 to 30, but it's given below 25. Below 25 means only from 25 to 30, 6 minus 2, so that is 4 only. So that's why here given frequency is cumulative frequency, so write as it is, but next one is frequency. Below table given means just subtract from the previous one, you may get the frequency. So 2 6 24 given, no, so first write 2, next 6 minus 2 is 4, next 24 minus 6, don't subtract 24 minus 4, right? Use the table, cumulative frequency table. So 6 minus 2, 24 minus 6, next 45 minus 24, 78 minus 20, 45, like that up to 100 minus 98, 2. So this is the frequency. Now you can use n by 2. N by 2 is 100 by 2, 50. So 50 and the frequency table is 50. Next of 50 is 78. So cumulative frequency 35, 40. So 35 to 40 is the median class. Now use the frequency, cumulative frequency just preceding this. So L equal to 35, N equal to 100, F equal to corresponding frequency 33, cumulative frequency just previous 45, and difference H equal to 5 with substitute. Your answer is here given 35.76, right? Similarly, next find the median. Directly given, but here 118, 126, like that, it's not in the continuous type, so you may change the continuous type by subtracting 0.5 in the previous, that is starting in the class interval lower limit, and add 0.5 in the upper limit. So 118 as 117.5 and 126 126.5, like that change. Now just frequency given, cumulative frequency you can find. You may use that n value 40, n by 2 is 20, 20 is next to cumulative frequency 29. So the corresponding median class is 144.5 to 153.5. So f equal to, you may write as 12, but cumulative frequency is just preceding of 29, that is 17, and L equal to 144.5, and N equal to total 40. Substitute and find your answer, right? Next problem, median find. So it's a continuous type, so everything given. So find the cumulative frequency table. using n, you can get n by 2 equal to 200, 200 and extra to 200 is 216. So median class is 3000 to 3500. So L value 3000, N value 400, F value corresponding frequency 86, cumulative frequency just preceding of 216, so 130, H equal to difference width of the class interval 500. Substitute. Next, the same way table is given 1 to 4, 4 to 7 like that. Right. Now the question is model size also find. Mean, median, mode. These three things you need to find. Right. So first median, find the cumulative frequency table. Here n equal to 100. So check our cumulative frequency last number and total number of frequency also same or not. Using this you may correct your answers. So now n by 2 equal to 50. So corresponding frequency median class is here 50, no, next to 50 is 76. So 7 to 10 is the median class. Now L equal to 7, F equal to 40, cumulative frequency is just preceding of 76, that is 36, and width is here 3, H equal to 3. Substitute. Next, just you can use assumed mean method or direct mean method. So here subdivision method is given, avoid this thing. Next, mode also maximum frequency 40, so model class also same. So using this you may find L value, F0, F1, F2 and H. Substitute and get answer and compare the answers. Next problem, the same way table is given, cumulative frequency is given. So n by 2 is 15. So 15 means next to 15 is 19. So 55 to 60 is the correct median class. So L equal to 55, N equal to 30, F equal to 6, and the cumulative frequency is 13 and H equal to 5. So substitute and may get the answer. Thank you.